Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I'm Brian Panda Beauty, and in today's video I am doing a review. As you can see in the title, the review is about Huda Beauty translucent powder or baking powder, whatever you want to call it. And the reason why I am doing this video, because I wanted to. No, I'm kidding. Well, I kind of wanted to, but also I've been getting requests from my friends and other people that I should do my own reviews, because even though there's so many reviews online, my friends appreciate my 2 cents. So yeah, I am doing it for them. I'm doing it for you guys. So hopefully it is helpful. It is maybe a little, insightful for you guys to see if I do like the product. I know the product's been out for a while, probably a year or if not more than a year. But, I mean, there's still people who are, not into Huda Beauty products, or they haven't bought one and they're thinking about it. So, so here's my 2 cents and my review for this product. So Huda Beauty's translucent powder looks like this. It's quite a nice little package. And my color is sugar cookie. This is a wrong color, but I'm gonna get into the details soon. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I've got my little notes here. I wrote some notes. Alright, so I'm gonna just lay flat my pros and cons. I'm not gonna sugarcoat or explain too much and ramble too much, and I'm not gonna use the product on my face while I do makeup and then review it. I have used this product enough to actually come up with a conclusion, and that's what I'm going to do with most of my reviews in the future, if I do, which I'm probably going to do. So yeah, I'm just going to lay flat my pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. So let's start with a bang. Good stuff. So I really like this powder. It's really nice for blurring your skin. So it's really nice for people who have pores and things like that. Really beautiful for nice photography sort of makeup. So if you are doing makeup for flash photography, this powder will be perfect and amazing. At nighttime, when it's like super dark and you use flash, amazing for night photography as well, or nice selfies at nighttime. So that's really nice about this powder, because it's really nicely finely milled that it just blurs your skin perfectly. So if you are oily and you set your face with this, your oils and your sweat is going to take its time to come out. It will still come out, but it will take very long before they actually start coming out. And like I said, another pro for this one is that because it's so nicely finely milled, it just goes onto your skin so nicely, and you can feel the quality, the texture of it, because it's so smooth. Let me see if I can show you. So it's like really nicely milled. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's really nice with the quality of the product. And another pro about this product is the size. It is a decent size product. It is 20 grams, which is quite generic for most of the products. But, I mean, it could have been small, but it's 20 grams, so that's a good size. It will last you for a little while, depending how much you use it and how often you use it. And yeah, so good size. Another thing that I really like about Huda Beauty makeup, usually, like in general, and about this powder, is that it comes in different colors. So it comes in different shades depending on the skin color you have or skin tone you have. If you're really dark, you have your shade as well. If you're really light, you have your shade as well. And if you're in the middle, you got your shade as well. Alright, so I've done all the pros. Now it's cons. And cons are not the most crazy cons, like, but it can make or break your dealio while buying this product. Alright, so the first con that was, I can't get past it, I just can't, is the smell. The smell for this product, it is so strong, and I like smells in my fragrance or perfume in my skincare or makeup. I mean, I don't like it all the time, but if it's a pleasant smell, I like it. But this one is strong and I don't like it. It's almost like jasmine sort of scent, but it smells really artificial, so it's not even pleasant like you're smelling the flowers. It's more like very artificial, made in a lab sort of smell. So I can't get past it. Every time I open the packaging or the little bottle, I get a whiff of it. I'm turned off by it. I thought maybe the more I use it, the more I'm gonna love it, or like it at least. I can't. It is very, very strong. And if you're sensitive to smell, or you're allergic to smell like perfumes or fragrances in the product, it is intense. Some people might find it okay if it doesn't bother you so much. It bothers me. Just a teeny tiny bit. Not too much. But yeah, that's the biggest con that I can tell you about this product. Another thing that is quite teeny tiny is that it's quite expensive. It's $63 in New Zealand, so New Zealand dollars is $63, which is not cheap. It is one of the high-end brands, so I suppose the price is justified and the quality is really good, so I see why it's expensive, but I'm pretty sure it's also because Huda Beauty, you know, it's the brand Huda Beauty, like you would pay for Gucci or Prada and stuff, so it's just also the name as well, plus the quality. So it is quite expensive and not everyone can afford it, not everyone want to spend that much money even if you can afford it, and not everyone is going to feel comfortable spending that much money on a baking powder, especially if you don't use it all the time, if you're not into makeup so much, if you only do makeup, you know, when you're going out or special occasions. It's not justified. So yeah, $63 is not justified for everyone. So it is expensive. Another thing, like I said, it was a pro that you have so many shades that you can choose from. My bad was that I was buying it online, so I didn't know which one would be perfect for me. I didn't want to get a cool tone. So for me, I got the white one because I thought it would be universal color. It still works for me, but it's slightly light on my skin. So when I do bake it, like bake it for like putting the powder on for 2-3 minutes, it does have a white hue on my face. So I usually don't bake it anymore with this powder. I just put a lot in and then just press it and then remove it. I don't make it sit on my skin for more than 20 seconds or 30 seconds maximum. And the place where I struggled is New Zealand doesn't have Sephora's in every city. So I don't live in Auckland. So when I want to buy stuff from Sephora, I have to purchase it online. And if you see online, especially when you're buying foundation or, you know, a product like this that comes in different shades and you want to get the right shade for yourself, it's a little tricky because what photos look like online, it may not be the actual product color when it comes to you. So it's a little gamble that you have to do to find the right shade. For me, I bought the universal color, which I thought will be perfect for any skin type, but it still is not perfect for my skin type. I should have gotten a more yellowy, darker sort of color, which would have worked better for me so I could bake properly under my eyes or my face or whatever I want to bake. So that's a little tricky situation if you are buying this online, that you would have to just guess, I suppose, what is your color. And yeah, you can Google it, you can YouTube it, what is your right color, but it is tricky. So that's another thing that is a con, I suppose. It's not huge, but it could be annoying if you buy something online thinking that it's your right color, but when you get it, it's not the right color. And then if you're like me, you'll just try to make it work because you spend $63 on it. So yeah, so that's something I would say is a little tiny con. And the last con that I have for this product is the bloody packaging. Alright, so the packaging for Huda Beauty looks like this. So you get the first layer, so you open it, so you get the second layer. I mean, you can throw this away if you wanted to. I don't, because I'm scared every time I open the lid, everything's gonna fly away. So this kind of like makes it handy to tap it. So I just take my eyebrow plucker or tweezer and open it like this. And the annoying part about the packaging is, I don't know if you can see, is the net. It has a net, which is annoying as shiz. I don't like it. Even though I saw Huda Beauty's video that it is handy, I just don't like it. I like a solid surface with holes in it, and you tap out the product, and then you take your beauty sponge and you just dip it. This one The product comes out. I don't know if you can see it. The product comes out and then it goes back in. And if I do this, it's very uneven. I don't like it. I don't know, that's like a personal choice. I don't like it. I don't like this idea of netting. I like solid. Not everyone's gonna hate on it. Personally, I don't like it. So yeah, that's the last con that I have for this product is not the whole packaging itself, but the inside bit annoys the crap out of me. So here's my conclusion. I do like this product. I like the way it goes on my skin. I like how it blurs my skin. I like how it sits on my skin. It is very, very sturdy. So that's like really, really good. Would I buy this product? Maybe. I would not buy this product if the scent is still there. It still bothers me and I've used this so many times. Every time I open the pot, it's just like, and I'm done, you know? But if they come up with a translucent powder that has no scent, I will invest my money in it. Until then, maybe not. I mean, I love the product. I do. I truly do. I like it. I like it. But the scent. That's the only thing that bothers me, you know? I can even ignore the packaging of that netting thing. It's the scent that gets me. So yeah, the answer is maybe. And saying that, I mean, there's so many other products in the world, you know? There's so many translucent powders. So I'll keep on trying other ones and see if I do find the best one. Until then, Huda Beauty translucent powder, baking powder, whatever you want to call it, is on my list as maybe. It's not a sort of no, because it is a good powder, but if I have to smell it, I don't know. Anyway, that's it guys. This is the video. Hopefully this is helpful. I am just giving you my raw ideas and not holding anything back. So yeah, this is what you're gonna see in my reviews. I don't know if I blabbed too much. I tried not to, you know, I tried not to. But sometimes you just get carried away. Anyway, and if you want to see the look that I have in this video, I did a look on this. I don't know if it's going to come or has already been posted. If it's already been posted, I'll put the link down below. If it hasn't, then I'll be posting it soon. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and maybe hit that notification so you can get to know that I have posted a video and you can see it. So now I'm blabbing. Anyway, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Be happy and be positive. I'll see you guys later. Bye.